Like and subscribe, and ring the bell to join us for more adventures. Timo enters a dark room with faint light coming through a covered window. Objects inside appear as blurry shapes. The corners of the room are hidden in shadow. A new word becomes important: obscure. Obscure means unclear or difficult to see clearly. Without more light, the room's details remain hidden. Timo opens the curtain. Sunlight spills across the floor. The once shadowed objects become clear and recognizable. Timo remembers that when something is obscure, careful observation can reveal what is hidden, and thoughtful attention will guide him on future adventures.
For more cartoon stories and advanced English vocabulary, and to build the skills you need for exam success, visit vocabcartoons.com. Cartoons, quizzes, and games that help you learn fast. Start free.